see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause at some point we miss all right, sugar. And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place?
Take a photo of my teeth so I can see how good.
Before and after?
Are these $1?
No,
How much?
I don't know.
$8. Nice. Mom, can you take a picture of my teeth so I know which my teeth looks like? And it will,
Before and after?
yeah.
Okay, where's my camera? Picture ko lang yung ipin niya bago
Yeah,
siya
mine's
mag-toothbrush.
never gonna change.
Why?
No, these front teeth will never become white again.
Why?
Because they take it's stained, I don't know. But these the back ones are white. It will be white.
You know
I
what?
barely eat here though.
Yeah, but that's the color of your teeth. Means that's stronger.
Teeth.
Stronger, yellow.
Style, good style.
Insert ko tong ginawa ni Zach. Siya na talaga.
Not yours.
Ayan si Zach. How about you, yeah? Okay, brush your teeth.
Ketchup.
Ha?
I'm sorry, but
Umalis na yung tatlo kasi bago yung toothbrush nila, ayun, ganadong mag-toothbrush. Yung asawa ko, seryoso talaga dyan sa kanyang project. Yung sa IKEA kasi, guys, nag-ano siya, nagka-curl. Sayang lang nun. Is that the last one?
Yeah, that one's.
Okay, last one na daw yan. And sana makabili pa kami ng ganyan para lahat malagyan. For now, yun muna, siguro. Or may isa pa. We have another roll, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A few colours.
Yeah. Wait, honey. Tapos na siya, guys. Hi, wait. I'm gonna wipe that one.
Mom, please.
Wipe. Okay. Ikaw muna kayo dito.
Me want to eat. Me, I want to eat.
Malulubat na tong ano, isa. Ay!
Mom, watch out.
Okay, tapos na si sir.
I just want to eat one of these biscuits.
Oh, is that your coat?
Finished them. Oh look,
Yeah, oh, nice. Oh, you have another one here.
that's got paper.
What is paper? Yeah.
Yeah, but it's got something there for now, but I will end up changing them.
Why? Where's the other one?
Still one there.
Yeah, do it now. It's finished. Hindi pa pala siya tapos, guys. Akala ko tapos
Just
na.
something else up there. Come on, shut the door.
Look how wide it is.
Throw that out in the grass,
No,
please.
there's a little bit here.
Yeah, I couldn't get that.
Oh,
I use your mouthwash.
No.
Look, here.
Nagma-mouthwash na sila, guys.
Mom, here.
Smells good. I know. It smells
I
good.
got the back teeth white.
Yeah. Brush it properly.
What, Dad?
There's a toothpick at kuya. Merong konti. Ay, hindi pa siya tapos eh. Akala ko tapos na.
Let's hold on to it now, but
Yeah, do it now. So it's finished. Where you going? Oh,
Hurry up, Ollie, quick.
come on. Baba sleeper, ha? Ay, hindi pa siya tapos. Ako tapos na siya. Ha? Dito na siya.
Mouthwash.
What about? Too strong?
I put it in there.
No, you have to put water. I told you to put a little bit of water.
Oh!
Oh.
Full on to put it in there. Did you swallow it?
No.
Spit it.
What the?
Where's a picture? Show me. Look at this.
What?
Look at this.
Are you done?
no, I got one more.
There.
Yeah, from... Whoa.
I just do this.
Ang cute nila. Kinukumpara niya. Siyempre, mas malinis na ngayon kasi kumain kayo kanina.
Why'd you turn it off? I want to take off my photo.
So, that's your second? Ayan yung pangalawang
Mom, I haven't
roll
got
ng
money from
yung
the
mat.
tooth fairy for 2 weeks.
You haven't? Oh,
I
no.
think this is going to be the
Or you're
time.
not having a
Maybe.
holiday.
Hindi pa siya dinabigyan ng pera. Ni Tooth Fairy kasi busy si Tooth Fairy. Nakakalimutan ni Tooth Fairy na maglagay ng kanyang maglagay ba ang pera doon sa ano niya, natanggal na ipin. Diba
That
yun?
mouthwash. So,
Can't explain the mouthwash out.
You cannot explain.
No,
So like too spicy. No, it
it went
is.
down my throat.
Why? What did you just got like
So,
this?
oh, and then a bubble came and just.
wait, so you should get a sore throat, like,
Oh.
it's disgusting when you...
Tapos na si John maglagay ng yung mat, yung rubber mat. Check na natin. Nalagyan niyo ng
What are we doing?
you have to get those food from the fridge.
First, please.
The fruits.
Cheese, butter.
Yes. Ayan na guys. So meron pa ako dito ilalagay. Lang na yun. Wait lang. Ay, wala.
What
Wala.
else, Mom?
Sorry. Ayan. Perfect. Ayan. Lahat na
There's
meron.
the laundry, Mum.
Yeah, wash
So we
it.
can use our clothes over and over.
No.
Your bed is really cool.
Okay. Gawin na natin to. Okay.
How do I get down? I'm gonna go get stuff.
Yes, please. Thanks. What na, Baba? Dapat mag...
Mommy, I like your
Hindi pa siya-
pigtails.
Hindi pa full yung aking ano. Hala, nagpa-flash na yung ating battery kasi kanina pa to, di ba? Nag-grocery
What
tayo.
chip is there?
What?
Chippy.
Where?
A chip there. Twisty there.
Where?
And the chocolate.
Twisties? Where?
It's right in front of you.
Ah, here.
How do I get down here? I need to move that house. Hey. Oh, I know how to get down. Come here. I know how to get down. That was crazy.
Ano meron dito? Ang bigat nito. Ano meron dito? Oh, dito yung mga marshmallow. Lollies. Marshmallows.
I want one right now.
Pythons ni Johnny Boy.
No, these questions I want to put. Oh,
Where's the white?
it may help me.
No, that's it, Baba. No.
Okay.
Because you use a lot of wipes.
There's one here. Mom, where's Kuya's Zach going to?
He's getting all the cold stuff. Right.
Mom, this chocolate.
Aya, can you charge my phone, please? Thank you.
This, the golden one?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, no. Okay. Just gonna put it very far, though, because that charger is really far, though.
Dito na si Saki Boy.
One kilo in for now.
Okay.
I don't know what you got, so we got
And you'll have
butter.
to come and have a look in the fridge, what cheese and all that you want.
All the cheese, bring it here.
It's 2 minutes, have a look.
Yeah, because
We'll
it's...
pack it in when we go to home.
Just bring one of
I
each.
don't know which one you want, there's lots.
Honey. Kuya, get the brie and then other cheese, okay? Just one of each, please. Thank you. Ewan ko, ba't may dala si... Bakit may dala siyang pirate na pillow? Ayusin ko yan. Tingnan niyo, ang gulo-gulo. Oy, what are you doing there? So, eto yung mga cheese natin, guys. Meron tayong chili, brie, and yeah, yung almond.
get everything
Masarap.
else.
Yeah, get the salami,
Salami, the other
Mom, you want me to get
that's
the...
not that
spicy, and even the spicy, because that's for me.
spicy is
It's here, alright.
Mom, this
And get the not the olives yet.
the fried
Fried French onion
Yeah.
dip, yes.
Oh, and
I'll just get and a chili dip.
Yes, please. Thank
I'll
you.
just find sauce.
Dalhin mo na yung bag.
And that potato.
And ito yung ating cheese, ilagay natin. Ito yung itsura ng ref pala, guys. Na wala pang laman.
Mom, you know
Hindi
what?
tayo nakapag empty tour.
Mom,
Yes.
you know what we have with that cold chicken? That potato?
Cole's chicken, yeah.
Yeah, what's that potato stuff?
Cole's chicken potato.
Yeah, you know when we had Cole's chicken
Uh,
for tea?
the potato salad.
Yeah, you want me to get that?
Oh no, that's for our trip.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so ilagay na
what about
natin
those
yung
noodles?
what noodles?
Those noodles.
Is this gonna fit? Yeah, it's fit. Perfect. And wala. Dito na lang to.
But
Ay. Maganda to kasi maliit. Meron kasi sila yung malaki. Ngayon meron sila yung maliit. Hindi ko lang sila nakita before. Pero ayan, maximize natin ang space. Oh, di ba? Okay. So now, eto. Hinahanap ko yung peanut butter, Vegemite. Kasi si Johnny Boy ang ayun, yung honey. Ito yung honey natin. Diyan sila. Peanut butter. Ito, wait. Lagay pa lang muna natin yung ating strawberries and butter sa fridge. Dito to sa baba kasi. Baka pag dito natin linagay, maging matigas siya. Dito na lang siya. Here.
you want this thing in my bag? Quick. I'll put everything on the counter.
Okay.
Well, no, never
Dito na. Ha?
I don't think Excuse me. I'm gonna show you what I got.
Where's the strawberries? Strawberry grapes.
Oh, I won't play.
Alright.
Ayan, dala ni Kuya. Favorite ni Kuya ang cheese platter. Yes.
I got the brain dip.
Yes. Wait lang, yeah.
And I bet you didn't get this in case you want.
Yeah, thank you, Kuya. Dito yung
I
ating...
found one more.
Oh, we'll bring it this next trip. Next trip. Sa Monday yan.
You get Dorito sauce?
Yep.
Dorito mid sauce on that.
So, hindi ko
That
siya.
one's not that
Okay lang ganito kasi hindi siya pwedeng ganito.
French onion.
Yes. You love that one.
You want that?
I swear to God,
Onion?
that's fun. It's like
Mom,
Ganito muna kasi hindi naman siya bukas pa.
what's that doing?
that's it.
Ay, just patong-patong na lang kasi may leak yung fridge. Deep. Kasha ba dito? Yes, kasha dito. Dito na lang.
Mom,
Yeah.
I think you'll be the only ones eating this one.
What's that one? The spicy one?
Spicy one.
It's alright.
This expires
Akin na.
before, way after Zach's birthday.
Oo, si Sak pala mag-birthday. Hala, kailangan siya isara.
We've had the
Here.
fridge bit open a bit too much.
Nag-alarm siya, guys. Meron tayo dito.
Mommy, why
Hindi ko alam. Dito nga tayo nakapag-empty tour, diba? So, eto guys. Dito natin ilalagay yung ating
you
mga
want me to put the
mga
little
sauce,
peanut butter in
spices.
that?
Dito, ha? What's that, yeah?
Peanut butter in here.
Yes, please, kuya. Thank you. Ganado sila tulong sa akin. Ano?
Here's the spicy one you wanted.
Yes.
Hot one.
Thank you.
I'll try one of those.
Oh, okay.
I'll try some, Mom.
Peanut butter.
Mom,
Here, Mom, we're going to put some
Milo. Here.
We don't have milk.
Yes, we do.
Oh.
Mommy, excuse me, please.
Wait lang, Baba.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah, here. We're gonna put it here.
Put.
And the sauce. No. Stand. No, not here. Just the sauce, kuya.
Could I
And
Tomato sauce, barbecue sauce
barbecue.
goes here. Here.
Where does
Here's I gotta find the here.
where does the cereal go?
What's that? Put it here for now.
Where does the cereal go?
What else do we have there?
This will go in the fridge.
Not now because it's not open.
Mom, is this where does the cereal?
Not yet, Baba, because I'm gonna get the container. Ayan. For now, yan
Well, you
muna.
got wheat mix here.
me the cereal. Kasi wala pa naman tayong nilalagay dito. Lagay muna natin siya dito. Akin. If it's fit. Yes.
Oh, yes, wait bit. Wait bit.
Okay. Wala pa naman kasi ako nila. Yung mga tuyo, suka pala, no. Yeah. No, alisin ko yan. Mayroon akong, hanapin ko yung lalagyan ng mga cereals. No, Baba. No, Kuya, because I have to put the toyo. You like toyo?
Toyo? The little ones?
The seasoning?
The little ones?
Yeah.
The one that has like bugs in it?
Yeah.
I love it. I
It's
never
creamy sauce.
Okay, ayan na yung cheese.
Oh, I only grabbed one of them. Move.
That's right.
I got
Yeah.
everything.
How you going, babe?
Good.
Chicken when I had them.
Ano pa tayo dito? Dinala na nilang lahat yung cheese.
Yeah, I got it. The hot.
Kumuha ko na Hawaii na.
Yeah, I got
Yeah,
the
it's
red.
working.
I got the red.
But it's, can you fix it, babe? Honey,
Oh, here it is. Here it is.
What are you doing?
just down a little bit.
Popcorn.
Wait, baby.
Here, I got and ginger and mustard sauce on there.
Who liked them?
That's right, babe.
So who liked them?
Yes.
Who liked
Here.
my football
Okay,
boots?
nandito na yung
Who
mga
liked my football boots?
Gotcha.
may Dijon mustard. Akin na yan, kuya.
Did Tommy?
This
Not
one.
too good, mate.
Did Tommy?
Sila dito.
Hey?
Did Tommy?
Andun na si
Yeah.
Jen.
Mustard.
Kaya na siya. Peanut butter, yeah, here.
Mom, will it go here? Why
No, not food in that one.
No, no food there, Baba. I just, no, not that one.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, they're for big ones, not
Yeah.
small.
Yeah. No, Baba. No, no.
Wait, what's in there, Mum? What?
Here.
Is all that stuff going to be right into sitting in there? Spice rack?
Why? I'm not sure.
This can go.
Well, that's for the spice wrap.
Fridge.
Yeah.
Starting to look like a fridge, is it?
Yeah. Yes. No.
No.
Can we put this in there?
What's that?
It's 11 o'clock. You're not eating now, sugar bubbles.
Here.
No, it isn't 11. It's like 12.
No.
Look, Zach.
Look, Han.
It only feels like at 9 right now.
Yeah.
It looks like. Wait. That one's always like.
Tomorrow. I'm gonna ask if we can eat them tomorrow in
What?
afternoon, the popcorn.
Don't-
I buy them so I get to...
We can't eat meat, Zach.
Oh yeah, here's your Weetabix.
What, is
for
that
now.
meat, TJ?
For now. Oh, that's for the bottom, Kuya.
I'll go put them in the drawers.
Do we have any Holly? How many?
No, I'm gonna go
Crumpets
put this
did you
in
get?
the first drawer.
Just
I think
two.
there's one in there. 3 she got.
Ash 3.
No, I got
Mum,
two.
I'm gonna
There's
go
one
and put this in the
Dad,
fridge.
Should we put that in the fridge?
Huh?
Should we put that in the fridge? Zach, look. This is the one that Daddy brought to us, right? The Chen. This one.
Yeah.
See?
A different box, I wanted to say.
No, the
No,
same.
it wasn't.
This is
But
this.
smaller size.
No, the same Zach.
Smaller size.
We have lots of biscuits.
And cherries.
Kumuha ko dito kasi sobrang sarap to. Malat-alat kung...
Where's that pasta?
I don't know. I haven't seen it yet.
What are they?
No.
Are these for TJ?
No, that's all.
For who?
You've got to put that in the loading up there.
Why the bar in here?
Ate it.
No, that'd be old, wouldn't it?
I know. What's that?
A bar.
Where's my chair, Dad?
I know.
Where's my chair?
Oh, it's down somewhere in one of these
Let's
holes.
see, oh, in the front.
Where's
For
mine?
now,
That's
ito
the
muna
front.
sila.
That's the back.
No, it isn't.
The front's there.
Yeah, it's that. We're at the front, you're at the back.
Where's the
Yeah,
Dad, we put the pancakes in there. Dad, are we allowed to have pancakes tomorrow or Saturday? Can we
We'll
have
see.
Saturday? Can we have pancakes?
No, tomorrow. Tomorrow when we
Just
get
go
down
easy,
there.
because we're going to bloody Big the Harbour after this, so we'll be doing that sort of stuff up there.
Where do we put this?
Here.
I wonder.
Alright.
Can't flip it in here, Dad.
On the side, yeah. Okay.
Dad, you
Side,
have to do
sideways.
small
Like this?
flips.
No, 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 no. Like
Dad,
that.
you have to do small flips.
Yeah.
Dad, you have to do small
Here.
flips.
Put it here.
Might hit the back.
Yeah, no, that's alright because we will put this
Because-
one. No, it's alright that one now.
No,
Daddy,
but
can
it's
you
only
not
at the
stick
back.
high on the
We have to put something.
It's only Peppa Pig.
Oh, it's not big.
Peppa Pig. Peppa. Put this at the back. Beep, beep, beep.
Smell like feet.
Smells beautiful.
No.
This guy.
And then little ones.
What's that?
Yeah.
I like these Doritos. These
I'll get you
Doritos.
some dips too.
Yeah.
These Doritos are
Dad.
better.
Is this the one for our...
Dad, why'd you get the mid salsa? You
Honey,
need to get
we have
none.
to get more of this.
Why? Who got mid?
And she got hot for
Tingnan nyo guys
her.
yung nabili
We got
namin sa...
mid.
So that'll be still
Mild.
hot.
Mild.
Ito yung sa Ikea. Tingnan nyo. Oh.
Won't be that hot for me.
Ano siya, nagka-curl.
Okay.
Okay.
Sayang
that?
ng...
My phone, there's one under there to get.
What's that?
Take those. Wait.
Huh?
Oh, there's one on the feet. Bit dirty.
And I reckon there's.
Inside, it's
Nah, not
dirty.
there.
Do we have a small one? Huh?
Inside, Mum.
What inside? Can you get it?
Look,
Inside. The inside of
Mum,
that.
can these
It's
go
dirty
in
on
the
the
picture?
side.
Yeah, wait. I'm gonna get the...
No, there's not many small. You didn't get many small ones, though.
Yes, I did.
On the side,
Each of
Mom.
the cabinet has to have one each. One big, one small.
Mum,
Each
on
of
the
this.
side.
Because we counted.
Where are
already.
they all? They're those ones that are inside somewhere, and I don't know where they are.
No, I just grabbed one, honey. Just one, and then the bin. That's it I got. And then
Mom,
my
on
roller,
the
roller
side?
thing for
The
I
my...
don't know where they all are.
Mum,
They're
can
all
these
there.
go in this?
No, Kuya, because that one...
There's some up there. Have a
It
look
doesn't
up
say
there.
that. Yeah, I already used one. And this one. But this one is the scissor one. Maybe we put... Boy, stop!
She pushed me like that.
Drop it.
I'll put this one here.
I'm not saying I'm so cheeky. Huh?
I fought it.
Oh, Zachary.
It's alright,
yeah.
it's not my fault. Well, if I don't fight, you can die, you know. You probably didn't know that. Yeah.
Nice and gentle, baby. When you get it home.
Yung boys pala guys, nandun na sila sa bahay kasi ano na, 11. What time is it?
Boys, and watch TV and lay on the couch.
Yeah.
Go to sleep and I'll pick you up.
Yep. Good night, baby. Thank you
Because it's
for
getting late, darling.
Thank you for helping mommy. And can you bring that? Could you bring that one, Baba?
I'll do that.
Ah, okay.
What you hiding from me?
So tapos na ako guys maglagay, mag-put away ng mga pinang ano natin pinamili kanina. So ngayon punasan ko lang yung mga cabinets. Ito maganda to. Wet na siya. And yun yung binili niya sa Bunnings, ilalagay niya sa labas. Kasi meron dun na mga storage din sa labas. And eto, gamitin na natin yung kinuha ni Jan na Dettol na lemon yung kanyang scent. Gusto ko sana yung isa, yung apple scent. Ayaw niya. So, linis muna ako dito.
What you holding back? I think I saw you with
So, eto na yung itsura ng ating mga cabinets. Ayan, nandito yung mga chips, marshmallows, some chocolates, and crackers. So, yan. Tapos ko nang linisan dito. Yung bed na lang, i-fix ko na lang. And yan yung mga Easter eggs na ilalagay ko sa kani-kanilang bag. And, yan. Nalinis ko na dito. So, second cabinet tayo. More crackers. Yung isa sa taas empty. Wala pa tayong. Wala pa akong nilalagay dyan. Dito, ano to? Mga documentos. Mga documents. Ayan. And empty rin yung ano, yung container dyan. So, which is good. Marami pa tayong space. Then, dito, oops, dito si Johnny Boy. May pinakuha ko sa kanya. Mamaya. So, dito naman, more crackers. And dito rin
Do you
yung...
like them cupboards?
Yeah, because it's black.
Yeah, no, but there's lots of marks on it. You got to get the
Right one.
the
What?
cherry towel and rub it now. Rub all the marks out.
Oh, di ba? Nilinis ko na. Nakita niya lang may konting...
See it all? Look at
Kita niyo ba guys? Ang
it.
linis
You need
kaya.
the cherry towel.
Terry towel. Alright, I will get terry towel. So, dito yung wipes. Ito yung pot holder. And more crackers and wheat bix ni Kuya. Diyan. And Dito, more crackers. And yung ating chocolate na may biscuit. Ito yung mini fingers ng Cadbury. Then, dito naman, may nakita kong itim. Kaya, ang puti. Madaling makita ang dumi. Okay. Dito naman, ay dito yung mga remote. Yeah, remote controls. Dito yung mga medicines. And everything. Okay. Then, dito, wala pang laman yung freezer. Wag muna tayo dyan. Dito muna tayo. Sana hindi kayo mahilo, no? Dito naman, ayan, ito yung pantry. So, maglalagay pa ako dito, guys, ng, ito temporary lang to, kasi may mga containers to. Kunin ko. So, yan, nandito yung ating cereals. Dito yung mga palaman. Tapos, nandito yung mga palaman. Yung like peanut butter, Vegemite. Ayun. Ayun niya talaga. Alagang-alaga niya kanya. No?
Yeah.
So, is that the one I have to use?
Yeah, look, it's gone. Have a look now.
Yeah, so I cannot spray?
Yeah, but you gotta let it dry, then you wipe it with that to get all the marks or what?
Okay, yeah. Oo nga naman. Makintab na. Pwede kang makitaan kung nakapalda ka, kung dadaan ka dyan. Parang siyang salamin. Okay. Back dito sa ating pantry. So, may Milo tayo. Ano pa ba? Honey. Cream cheese spread. Ito nga yung Vegemite. Peanut butter. Maple syrup. Salt and pepper. Pepper steak and toothpicks. And kimchi. See? Si Tinay ang nag-ano niyan sa akin. Nag-introduce and sobrang sarap niya. And I'm hoping na ito yun. Ito yung brand kasi sobrang sarap nung pumunta ko sa bahay niya. Nung nagprito siyang isda. Sobrang sarap. And dito more snacks. TV ni Johnny Boy. Ano pa ba? Chocolates. And meron ditong drink yung mango. Ano nga to? Yung basta mango. Yung kanina. Nasa ref yung tatlo niyan. And Doritos and chocolate. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
There?
Yes, all honey. Even there.
Wow.
Wow. And even here. And dito, wala pa siya guys. Kasi dito ilalagay yung aking mga flour, yung mga pang-baking ko. Tapos some pan or pot. So, dyan. And dito sa baba, linagay ko dito yung isang container. Nandyan yung sibuyas. And yung ating oil. So, dito na to sa fridge. Si Sir talaga naman, pinapakintab niya pa. Makintab na, pero mas oh, di ba? Shiny yan. Okay, dito tayo sa ref. Tada. Oh, why it's no light, babe?
Huh?
No light.
You must have turned it off.
Di ba? I didn't touch it.
You might have. When you're wiping.
I didn't wipe this one. Hindi ko to wipe. Alright. Ito na yung graph natin, guys. So, ito siya. Yung mango ba to? Tropical mango. So, yan. Tapos, nipis na mango rin. Orange mango. And yung mga ating dips. Para sa ating Doritos and cream cheese. Cream cheese. Cheese platter. Nandito pala yung mga cheese para sa cheese platter. So, marami tayong iba-ibang klase. Nakita nyo kanina. And sa Doritos. And then, yung lifelong na gatas, apples, and butter, fruits. You don't like it? You're the one choose it. Yeah.
Oh no, it's just not.
What? You're the one use it. Choose it, babe. So, yan. Dito pa pala. Ito yung ating patulak-tulak. So, andito yung ating mga condiments. Ayan. Doon yung hala, wala nang lumalabas na words sa akin kasi guys, pagod na ako guys. Ito yung ating tomato sauce, barbecue sauce, and meron din tayo ditong pancake. Kumuha lang akong isa. And Dijon mustard. Okay, and doon yung parmesan cheese, meron ako doon. Ayan siya. Pinunasan ko na yan. Pinunasan niya ulit. Siya na talaga ang very neat. Okay.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do. Want you next to me.